Efficiency in urban environments requires a vehicle that balances external compactness with internal volume, and the 2026 Renault Clio presents a compelling mathematical solution to this everyday problem. Looking strictly at the manufacturer specifications, this front-wheel drive hatchback is equipped with a 1.0-liter turbocharged inline-3 engine that produces 90 horsepower and 160 newton-meters of torque, which is managed by a 6-speed manual transmission, allowing the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 12.2 seconds. Beyond the powertrain, the standout metric for everyday usability is the 391 liters of boot capacity, which ranks highly within the subcompact segment standards. Looking closely at the exterior design and aerodynamic profile, the front fascia utilizes a widened lower grille section that channels air efficiently around the front wheels, reducing drag, while the signature LED lighting units sit flush against the bodywork to minimize wind resistance. The side profile reveals deeply sculpted door panels and aerodynamic alloy wheel designs that not only enhance the visual width of the car but also contribute to a stable airflow boundary layer along the sides of the vehicle. Transitioning to the interior, the cabin architecture is heavily focused on maximizing spatial perception with soft touch materials applied to the upper dashboard sections and door cards to elevate the tactile experience beyond typical economy car standards. The central digital display serves as the primary command center, reducing button clutter and freeing up physical space in the center console area, which makes the driver and passenger footwells feel less confined. According to the technical schematics, the driving dynamics are anchored by a McPherson strut front suspension and a torsion beam rear axle, which are calibrated to provide a compliant ride over rough city streets, while maintaining lateral stiffness during higher speed maneuvers on the highway. The relatively long wheelbase pushes the wheels outward towards the corners of the chassis, which naturally increases the available volume for rear seat passengers and contributes directly to that substantial cargo area in the back. When evaluating the cargo space specifically, the load floor is designed to accommodate bulky items with a relatively low liftover height, making it easier to load heavy groceries or travel bags based on the structural diagrams. Folding the rear seats down expands the storage capability, further allowing for the transport of longer items, though buyers should note the slight step in the floor when the seats are folded flat. Standard safety systems and advanced driver assistance technologies are integrated seamlessly into the chassis network, ensuring that the vehicle remains stable and predictable without adding unnecessary physical bulk to the interior components. Ultimately, looking at the paper specifications, this vehicle is engineered to solve the spatial challenges of modern city driving, offering a sophisticated suspension setup and a highly practical storage solution wrapped in an aerodynamically optimized shell.